Today I'm going to show you how to give a boost to your immune system with lemon ginger shots. This recipe is very easy to make. You'll just need 2 ingredients, lemons and ginger, and the amount of both really depends. You can use more or less of each ingredient, but for this video I used 5 lemons and 750 grams of ginger root. You may use honey or sugar powder if you like. It will make the taste a little bit easier to tolerate. First, you'll need to get the lemon juice out of your lemons, so slice your lemons in half and use a citrus juicer to get the juice out. I want to mention that these shots are going to be extremely acidic, so if you have a sensitive stomach or if you were diagnosed with a gastric problem, consult your doctor before trying this recipe. Next, wash and pat dry your ginger roots and cut them into small pieces. I love this recipe so much. I feel like it's one of the major reasons why I haven't gotten sick in 2020 and 2021, considering that I work in the ER. Whenever I felt like I was getting sick, I would take the shot, drink lots of water, and I would feel fine the next day. Of course, you can't rely solely on this recipe, and you should still wear a mask and wash your hands frequently, but I'm telling you, these shots played a huge role in why I wasn't getting sick. Put the sliced ginger roots into a blender, add a little bit of water and mix for about 3 minutes or until the mixture is no longer chunky. Next, use a small mesh strainer, put it over a medium-sized container and slowly start pouring the ginger mixture through the mesh. I like to use a spoon to press into a strainer to make sure that I get most of the juices out. If the mesh in your strainer is not small enough or if you feel like big chunks are going through, you can use another container and filter your ginger juice one more time. In the end, you should have something that looks like this. The amount of juice will really depend on how much water you add to the blender. During the final step, go ahead and mix your lemon juice with the ginger juice. You will notice that the mixture is turning slightly pink, and that's absolutely normal. Keep the mixture in a fridge, take no more than 1 to 2 shots daily, and you can also add it to your drink if you like. For example, sometimes I added mine to a cup of tea.